Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about how to make a small bathroom look bigger. I know that many of you are living in homes with small bathroom and I want to help you make the most of your space. So here are few tips. Number 1 is use light colors. Light colors will help to make your bathroom feel larger and brighter. So if you are painting your bathroom, choose a light colored paint. You can also add light colored accents such as towels, curtains and rugs. Add mirrors. Mirrors are a great way to make a small space feel larger. So hang a mirror on the wall opposite the window. This will help to reflect the light and make your bathroom feel more spacious. Get rid of clutter. Clutter can make a small space feel even smaller. So get rid of unnecessary items in your bathroom. This include things like extra towels, toilet trays and hair products. Number 4 is about use vertical space. If you have a small bathroom, you will need to make the most of the vertical spaces. So install shelves or cabinets above the toilet and sink. This will give you an extra storage space without taking up any floor. Keep the floor clean. A cluttered floor can make a small bathroom feel even smaller. So keep the floor clean or of any unnecessary items. This includes things like bath mats, towels, and toys. By following these steps, you can make your small bathroom look bigger and more inviting. So get started today and see the difference it makes. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any other question, please leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips on home improvement.